Good morning. So today we are going to discuss the operational difficulties of activated sludge process. So in the activated sludge process, we know that the active microorganism is continuously aerated so as to decompose the entire dissolved as well as suspended particles in the wastewater, and there we are maintaining the F/M ratio, the sludge age, etc. So then in that particular process there are some problems due to the operational or malfunctioning of the system. So these are the difficulties. So first one is the rising or floating of sludge, rising or floating sludge. So in the the rising and floating sludge means, so in the aerator we are allowing the wastewater to enter from the primary sedimentation tank. There we are mixing the wastewater along with the recirculated activated microbial mass, and then this particular mixture we call it as the mixed liquor suspended solids. And then as a result, what is there are some biomass or the microbial mass along with the decomposed as well as the decomposed organic particles as well as some little bit of inorganic non-biodegradable organic particles. Everything together we call it as the biomass. So the biomass is forming as a result of the continuous aeration. And then what we are doing, we are taking the entire mixed liquor suspended solids in the secondary sedimentation tank. In the secondary sedimentation tank, actually we want to settle the all biomass or the sludge. You have to settle there in the bottom, and then usually there is a scraper bridge. So this scraper bridge will rotate continuously. This scraper bridge is continuously rotating, and then due to the continuous rotation, the settled sludge is removed from this secondary sedimentation tank. So when we take the sludge out, a part of it is recirculated to the inlet wastewater, and the remaining sludge we are letting it out for the disposal. Is it? So now these are the process actually taking place in the aerator and as well as in the secondary sedimentation tank. Now imagine that we are now continuing this aeration beyond the design sludge age or beyond the mean cell residence time. So for example, we are continuing the aeration for more than 10 days. Then what will happen? So here in this aerator, due to the continuous aeration, the ammonia present in the aerator is now converted into ammonia is converted into, or it is oxidized to nitrite, and then it is oxidized to nitrate. So this is by the bacterial action. This is happening by the bacterial action. It is by the autotrophic nitrifying bacteria, and this process is called as nitrification. So now the ammonia is oxidized, and what is present?